Infinix Hot 9 series to launch on May 29. Two phones expected. Infinix Hot 9 series will make its debut on May 29, e-retailer Flipkart has revealed. The upcoming lineup was teased by Infinix on May 20 on social media, and the smartphone brand had noted that Flipkart would share more details about the lineup today. Right on time, Flipkart has announced when we can expect to see Infinix Hot 9 phones. The e-retailer hasn't shared any features or specifications of the upcoming phones, but it seems to have given us a glimpse of the Infinix Hot 9 Pro phone. Infinix Hot 9 series launch date. As per the banner running on Flipkart homepage, Infinix Hot 9 series will be unveiled on May 29 at 12 p.m. noon. The lineup is expected to include two models, Infinix Hot 9 and Infinix Hot 9 Pro. The Infinix Hot 9 is very likely to be the same model that was unveiled in Indonesia in March this year, while the Infinix Hot 9 Pro will be an upgraded version of the same phone. Infinix Hot 9 Pro. Flipkart has seemingly shared an image of the Infinix Hot 9 Pro on the lineup's teaser page on its website. The teaser image shows a quad camera setup and a fingering sensor on the back of the phone. Additionally, the hole punch design is visible on the front with the camera cutout placed on the top left of the screen. DTS audio branding is also visible on the bottom center of the back. Although Flipkart doesn't mention the name of the phone, the camera setup shows 48 megapixel written, suggesting the main shooter with a 48 megapixel image sensor. Given the Infinix Hot 9 that was launched in Indonesia carries a 16 megapixel primary shooter on the back, the phone pictured on Flipkart is likely Infinix Hot 9 Pro. Infinix Hot 9 Pro specifications. To remind you, Infinix Hot 9 features a 6.6-inch IPS HD Plus LCD display, octa-core MediaTek Helio A25 SoC, 4 GB of RAM, and 5,000 mAh battery. In terms of the cameras, the phone packs an 8-megapixel selfie camera on the front and a quad camera setup on the back. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this